Make a great choice today with the 2016 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, quad seating, navigation system, XM satellite radio, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.